we want to simplify the expression sine to the 4x take away cos to the 4x. To do this, remember the difference of two squares. X squared minus y squared is x plus y times x minus y. It follows that x to the 4 minus y to the 4, which is essentially x squared squared, take away y squared squared, could be factorized to x squared plus y squared times x squared minus y squared. Following this pattern, this can be factorized to sine squared x plus cos squared x times sine squared x minus cos squared x. And this bracket is 1. We know the identity sine squared x plus cos squared x is 1, and therefore we have 1 times the second bracket, leaving us with just sine squared x minus cos squared x.